Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 5.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the euro gain 0.4% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session after rising as much as 1% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
E-commerce firm eBay forecasts second quarter revenue below Wall Street estimates as demand cools for product categories like collector's items and auto parts. The company expects revenue in the range of $2.49 billion to $2.54 billion for the quarter ending June. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell reiterated at his press conference that political considerations around the looming presidential election will not affect the central bank's current interest rate decisions. Tether Holdings, the company behind the world's largest stablecoin Tether USDT, reported a record net profit of $4.52 billion in the first quarter of 2024. Tether also revealed its net equity for the first time, which stands at $11.37 billion as of March the 31st.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Consumer Confidence Index will be released at 5 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 1:30 GMT. The US unit labour costs at 12:30 GMT. Spain's unemployment change will be released at 7 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The Austrian unemployment rate at 7 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.